Discipline time. Tsviehloheem, the principal, all the way from Epai. I'm live at Kumakala, I'm Undlunkulu location. I'm here just visiting brothers doing Undlunkulu sessions, that are happening every first Sunday of the month, By the way, Izolo Besiku Mboza, we're celebrating his 50th birthday,
My name is Mboza, maybe you forgot
celebrating his 50th birthday, so today we're running things. The rapper, entrepreneurship, clothing line, you can see Discipline. It's available online, Facebook, TikTok, hoodies, t-shirts, gymwear, trying to promote the positive lifestyle. Hip-hop it's about knowledge of self. So I'm about pushing the lifestyle, at least just to bring another element to hip-hop. By the way, this year, high possibilities are I'll be dropping some music, new music videos, and a project towards the end of the year, For any other info, you are interested in booking me, you can touch me on Facebook, as I said, Instagram, TikTok, Tsviehloheem, ThePrinciple. I got a page, I got Discipline page, I got Discipline Truth, a page. So, hoping to hear from everyone soon. Tsviehloheem, the Prince, Discipline time.